Alright, this is just getting exciting. Right above me is a huge spider, and this is my first encounter for the night. And if you look closer, he's awake and very active. Okay, he's moving very aggressively right now, and this one here is very bizarre. It's got a appendage at the back of its body protruding in front. So that's very peculiar. I'm trying to figure out what is the function of that thing. And can you also see the web? Now that's huge. Anything can get stuck here. So if you are an insect, this is not a place to be.